My wife and I have been here since 2002. That's almost, is that 15 years? 14 years. I'm on the board of the Crown Heights North Association, a community organization, and we had Joe Lipari come and speak to our membership. He made such a compelling argument about how excellent it is to form a group. If I were on my own, I would have had a lot of doubts and questions about what should it cost, how do I find a reliable contractor, what system is going to be installed. So we signed on and we learned that there were other homeowners in the area also on board. We had a couple of meetings, and there was a period where we had visits from the various installers. Also, initially, someone from Here Comes Solar came and inspected our roof to make sure that the installation was appropriate. It was painless. Everyone was very accommodating. The installation took a week, less than a week even. I had no idea what it was going to look like. In fact, I'm kind of thrilled. It's not visible from the street anywhere, or even from my garden, and it takes up about a quarter or to a third of the surface area of the roof. So there's still room to come up here and inspect and move around. And the fire department requires that there be access across the roof. I had a lot of reason to trust the process, and I'm really grateful that it really went smoothly, and I got an excellent system. They did all the paperwork that involved the tax incentives. They did all the paperwork involving permits, construction permits with the Department of Buildings. We've been meeting all our demands so far. We haven't used any air conditioning yet. Electric meter is running backwards, and I'm thrilled. This is the pipe, the wires that come down from the roof. They go into a switch first. Turn it on and off. Then it goes into the inverter, which changes it from DC to AC. Then it goes to this big switch, which connects it to the grid, to the Con Ed. The reason there are 2 meters here is it's a 2-family house. But the solar works on the larger portion of the house, which is where we live. As you can see, the meter is counting down from from 100,000, and so it's been going backwards. So we're getting credit from Con Ed. That shows that we're getting credit from Con Ed.
The guys were friendly and unobtrusive, and it went, I thought, really smoothly.
That would be awesome. Thanks.
I guess that our electric bills will be offset by like 95%, which means we'll be paying only 5% of what we used to pay, on a yearly, monthly basis. So that's great.
It really makes me feel like I'm part of the solution and not part of the problem. Reduction of fossil fuels, having a little more independence, not relying on Con Ed for all of our energy. Yeah. It's important, I think.